become successful? Ideas. Now I say that word, let the ideas be genuine, be truthful. Sometimes we take ideas that we want money, but along the line we are demotivated. It shows that the ideas were not genuine. Your ideas can either motivate you or can demotivate you. Now as a young person, when you have genuine ideas, no matter how negative the journey you are taking is, you will still stand firm. Sometimes you see most young people, most people in life they don't post their failures. All of them they show us just their achievements and we think it is well. Everything is not well. Because of what? They are genuine about their success. They are genuine about their ideas. That's why even when things are tough, they never gave up. They kept on working. I'll call the example of Madam. Before Madam wanted to become a manager, she also faced negatives. But because of the genuineness in her ideas that she had, that the willingness to become a manager, despite how tough the road was, but she was able to maintain that idea, to keep on. And at the end of the day, she is now what? A manager. It's to tell her what? When you are genuine with your idea, let me tell you, you are going to achieve what you want. You are being honest is not telling me that you don't steal, you don't tell lies. No. Honesty is telling me that you are willing to work. And actually I'm seeing the willingness in you. That's honesty for me. Which means that what? Now you are here, you say you want to attain your objective today. The honesty is you attaining your objective, not telling me. Because when you attain your objective, means that you are honest in what you are saying. Because sometimes some people just say things because of the influence of other people, but not because it comes from the heart. Be genuine with your ideas. Now I've said your ideas have great influence in your life, which means that what? The kind of thoughts you have, they influence you. They either influence your life negatively or positively. That's why we advise people to go in for positive competition and not negative competition, because we have discovered that when you go in for negative competition, you see yourself being downgraded because you think this person is more than you. But let me tell you, the person is not more than you. The person is simply doing what you did not do, which is that if you begin to do what he is doing, you will be like him. That's how it is. Ideas. Your ideas that you conceive can either motivate you or demotivate you. Ideas are very important. The kind of ideas you conceive it will determine the kind of result you have, because you cannot put in 20% and expect, you cannot put in 20% of effort and expect 100% result. No one day. You need to put in 100% effort and expect what? 100% result. That's how it goes. Ideas goes with what? Hard work. Sometimes we have creative ideas, but we're not putting effort. It cannot go. As a young person, be creative with your ideas, and also be creative in the way you do your things. At the end of the day, you are going to achieve your objective. My next person, never impress people with a negative idea just because you want to attain your objective or just because you want to become successful. Don't impress people with your negative ideas. Let me tell you something. Some people are always there to demotivate others. But let me tell you, don't look at that. But rather focus on your own positive thinking. Focus on your let me tell you, you're going to achieve your own objective. You're in this system today because you want money, you want to achieve your own basic goals. Like maybe you want to buy food for yourself, which is everybody's primary goal. You want to pay your house rent. But let me tell you ideas. But rather, don't follow it because you want to impress them, because you can never impress a human. You can never impress a human, because the more you begin to impress him, you will do a little mistake, you will not look at that, but he will insult you on the mistakes you did. But when you are trying to impress yourself, let me tell you, that's when you become successful. You are looking into what your own ideas and not the ideas of others. Let me tell you, don't look at the ideas of your parents. Your parents have already achieved what you want to achieve. But focus on what? Your own self, your own ideas, because they are your ideas that will help you. Because if you fail tomorrow, you will say it's because I neglected my ideas. But if you become successful, you will say it's because I stood firm to my ideas. As a young person, stand firm to your ideas. It's going to help you, and it's going to make you achieve many things as a young person. And it make you discover many things. It make you learn new things as a young person. The reason why I'm open to many things is because I stood firm to my idea. That's how I had the money. It's because I needed something. I needed to taste the face of life. Not that leaning every day on my mother. Mom, I'm giving 5,000. Mom, give me 10,000. Mom, please, I want to buy this manual. But I want to taste the other face of life. In order to tell my children what this is how you need to do to become successful. Ideas. The kind of ideas you conceive is what will help you achieve. What will help you have stories to tell other people. And at the end of the day, you see as you becoming successful, and your story will motivate other people to become successful too. Ideas. I said, nothing will slow your progress like negative mind. So stay positive, because so long as there is life, there is still hope. Nothing will slow your progress like negative mindset, bad ideas. So long as you are living and you have positive ideas, let me tell you, there is hope and you will succeed. Once you are in this business, you are positive. Your success may take time to come, but it will come. Have this in mind. Your success may take time to come, but it will come. have this in mind, because most of the time some people are demotivated. Like you say now, just at the end of this 2 months I want to come this, I want to go a day, I want to go an assistant manager. Now it's almost end of the month, you are demotivated. No. Be natural, have positive mindset. You say that objective that at the end of this day I want to make 4 pieces. I want to make 10 pieces, but around 4 o'clock you are not make 10 pieces. Be natural, follow the law of average. You are going to make it, because of what? So long as there is still life, you are living. There is hope. Ideas of other people, but look at your own ideas. Be positive, because once you are positive, let me tell you, you are going to change everybody around you. Is a negative. Show me a friend and I will show you a salary. Transform the mind. Have positive mindset. Start as from tomorrow. If you want to become successful in this system, start from tomorrow. Come early. Attain a success. Attain 1-to-1 pitch. You will make your objective. I was able to attain my objective yesterday because of what? 1-to-1 pitch. What I did here in the morning, that's what I did down the field. I was attaining my objective. But if you don't do like that, let me tell you, you will be making 1 piece every day. I'm betting that day. If you don't come early, you think for you to attain your objective. Try it and you see it. But when you come early, you attain your objective every day. Try it. As long as I said that, what? So long as there's life, there is hope. So keep hoping for the best. Not only hoping while waiting, but hoping while focusing and working hard and putting in positive ideas and positive mindset. At the end of the day, together, all of us we are going to attain our objective by being a manager that all of us desire. So that's what I have this morning.